Hi everyone. As you know, after analyzing 4 argumentative articles, you will be completing a blogging project to present your analysis. This video will show you exactly how to set up your blogs. First, type students.weebly.com into the address bar. Then you're going to type in your username and password. And click login. Immediately, you're asked to enter a title for your website. I would like this to be your group members' names and ELA site. So for instance, let's say your group members are Mike, Sandra, and your name is Jamila. That's how it would look. Okay? Then you click Save Title. Now that's the title of your site. Then you'd go to Pages. This is how you're going to add a blog to your site. You just go to Add Blog, and that adds another page to your site. And just click Save Settings. It'll bring you right back. At this point, you can choose a design. So let's click on Design, and you can either scroll through all the favorites, or you can click on All Themes. And if you already have an idea in mind for the type of theme that you'd like, or for the type of colors you think you'd like, then this would be a good place to look. So let's say you think light colors would work best. You can scroll through these, and let's say you want to see what this one looks like. Click on Preview, and if you like it, you click Use Theme and it will be applied to your site. If someone changes their mind and they don't like it after all, that's no problem. You can just go back to one of the favorites or to All Themes and choose a different one. Now the next step is to enter your content, and that's really just your assignment, what you want your blog to include, right? So you want to make sure that you're on your blog and not your home page. You're on your blog, and you're going to start by clicking New Post. Okay, we'll give our post a title. You might number it if you want to. Let's say blog post 1, articles title, or you might call it analysis of, and then you would enter the article's title. That's fine as well. Then you have to decide what you want to include. Are you including a paragraph, or a paragraph with a picture, or just a picture at that point? Let's say you want to include a paragraph, so we'll go with this one first. So you'd select paragraph and then just drag it down into your post, and it tells you click here to edit. So click there and type your paragraphs in. So what if you would like to alter the way the text looks? Well, that's really easy. Just click on the text and the toolbar will come up, and there's anything that you would like to do with the text is right there. You can center it, you can align it to the left, you can make it bold, you can change the color, you can make it bigger and smaller. You can even enter hyperlinks. Let's say that you found the article that you're reading online and you want to provide a link so that your readers can read the same article. Let's say that's the title, right? And you found it. And here's the article. Let's just say that's the article. There are guns in schools. Let's say we call it Guns in Schools. Okay, all you have to do to enter the link is copy the URL, highlight your text, click on the link, paste the URL there, and click Save. So now when your reader is reading your analysis, if they want to read the actual article that you read, all they have to do is click on your hyperlink. Now suppose that you want to add a picture of a gun to show that your article is about gun control. You can select paragraph with picture or just the picture. And to insert an image, just click on the image there. Now if you have a picture on your computer that you want to use, you can search for it from here, or you can search online, and I already searched for a gun and this is what came up. These are free images and I think this one's pretty clear, so I'm going to select it, and it's that easy. There it is. And you can continue writing if you wanted to, or start a new paragraph here. That's up to you. Now you can also include other kinds of multimedia to make your site interesting. For instance, let's say you want to give your readers background information on the tragedy that took place at Sandy Hook Elementary School. You can search for a YouTube video and embed it into your site. So I had searched for news coverage on the Sandy Hook shooting, and I found this ABC News video. After watching the video and making sure it was appropriate, I selected this one. So in order to embed it into my site, I clicked on Share and then Embed. So this HTML code popped up. So I'm going to now copy this code, go back to my site, and at this point I am going to go to More and drag the custom HTML, and then I'm just going to paste my code in that I copied from YouTube, and there it is. So people can play the video right from within your site without even having to leave your blog. Now clearly this site is not finished, but let's pretend that it is. All you're going to do is click Publish Live, which means that everyone will then be able to see it. And this box is going to pop up the first time they publish. Now, what you're going to do here is create your own subdomain. And by making up a subdomain, it will make it easier for other people to search for your site and find it. Okay, you want to make up one that is appropriate and memorable. For instance, you can call your site We Are Truly Gifted. Okay, that one's available. And then you'd click Continue. Now when it's finished posting, you'll get the message that your website is published, and you should be able to click on this and it will bring you to what your site looks like. Now as you see, your homepage is not filled in, but now that you know how to fill in information on your blog, it's going to be very easy to fill in information on your homepage. If you have any further questions on how to set up your blog or on how to fill in any of the basics, please see Mrs. Story in room 128 or ask your language arts teachers for help. Please keep checking my YouTube channel to see if there are any further updates and videos on how to add some extras to your blog and how to do some other cool things with the site. Have fun!